hopefully you guys are not one of them. Morning, good morning. Did you guys know today is the Quitters Days? So meaning lahat ng mga taong merong big goals nung January 1st, 2025. Today, the 10th day, which is January 10th, they tend to quit. So hopefully you guys are not one of them, because I'm not going to be quitting on you guys. So let's get this day started. Right, Emil? Say hi, guys.
Guys.
Oh, what's that? What's that? He's watching. What are you watching? Sing? You're singing? Oh, okay.
A baby shark.
Baby Shark. Oh, galing. So today, guys, meron tayong dalawang lead na pupuntahan, and malapit lang dito kung saan kami nakatira. So that's about it. Other than that, we're gonna get back on our USA wholesaling business. We took a pause, me and my partner, and I was also sick last week. So yeah, about to go to the US again. Let's go. So, isa sa mga major reason na bakit tayo nagki-quit or tend to quit is because masyado natin kinukumpara yung sarili natin sa mga taong ahead of us. Meaning they're more successful in terms of business, in terms of life. Kaya feeling natin we're not progressing to our goal. And I'm guilty of that kasi nung medyo bata-bata pa ako, I compare myself to people na mas marami ginagawa sa akin, merong business. So, after reading books and studying people na more successful sa akin, they always say na wag mo i-compare yung sarili mo dun sa mga taong nasa chapter 10 or 20 na ng buhay nila. If you're starting at chapter 1, then just look at where you are and what you have accomplished. Don't look and compare your current life to people para magtuloy-tuloy ka sa kung ano man yung balak mong gawin, business or whatever in life. Yun lang. Let's call AJ.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, let's go to my lead now. Like I said, malapit lang dito sa bahay namin tong lead na to. Wala pang 2 minutes. So see you guys there. Oh yeah, story about this deal pala. Itong bahay na to para siyang duplex. And tinry na ng seller ibenta sa market, hindi mabenta kasi taas yung asking price, and I think meron pang konting gagawin sa bahay. Pero for me, hindi magwo-workout sa akin tong deal na to. And for me, ayoko din sa area kung nasaan yung bahay. So I told the seller na ang gagawin ko na lang or ang mapoprovide kong value na lang sa kanila is hanapan sila ng buyers, kasi yun pa yung other value na ino-offer ko sa mga sellers ko. Pag hindi ko kayang bilhin yung property or hindi kami interested sa property, ang ginagawa ko is tulungan sila maghanap ng buyer. So kayo, kung may kakilala kayong seller na gustong ibenta yung bahay nila, let me know. Maybe I'm not going to be the buyer, maybe I could be a guy who could provide the buyer for them. Alright, nakabalik na tayo sa bahay. Yung house, it looks okay. It's just the location talaga. So hopefully matulungan natin si seller and makahanap tayo ng buyer for them. After this, I will be going to another one again closer to my house. So we'll see you guys later. Okay guys, back in the car. Pupunta na ako ngayon dun sa isa ko pang lead for today. Tapos nun, that's it for me. Oh, actually, mamaya isi-send ko din yung documents dun sa kanina kong unang pinuntahan. Hopefully this one, we get this under contract today. This other lead. Story about the seller naman is kakilala namin actually tong sellers na to, family friend, and actually sila yung tumulong sa amin gawin yung paperworks papunta dito sa Canada. So yeah, part sila nung journey namin dito sa Canada. So, either makuha ko yung price na gusto ko or again, tulungan natin silang ibenta yung bahay nila. So, just going home now. Wala, hindi natin sila matutulungan kasi medyo mataas pa yung mortgage nila, kuya and ate. But I told them i-finish na lang yung renovation para mas maganda yung makuha nila sa market. Kasi kahit ibenta natin sa mga buyers natin, hindi kakagatin yung asking price nila. So, yun talaga. Can help everyone. But yeah, just gonna go home, spend time with the family. It's Friday. And that's it, I guess. Say hi!
Hi.
What happened? What did you guys do?
We went playing and we went to work over the fence, and this is our house.
Oh, guys, the whole gang is here na naman. Dito kala ate. Let's go. What's up? Anong niluto mo?
Banana bread and isang upo. Aray ko pa.
Paano pag nakatayo yan? Ano tawag dyan? Hey, say hi.
Oh, Daddy, look.
Ano yan? Waka-waka?
And Daddy, dinosaurs.
Nothing more than a
Hindi mo
slap.
siya nakikita sa Facebook, ate?
Absolutely no incentive to change
nakikita ko siya.
Yung niluluto ni Ate Tak, yun isang upo. Anong tawag pag sa nakatayo na yun?
Ginisang tayo.
Steamed tea to cream. Whoa, look at this, man. Oh, may paa pa. Holy smoke. Color game, let's go. Sino mananalo? Kailan po, Wednesday?
Malakas ang chance mo pagka dalawa ang mo.
Green. Wala.
Malakas ang pag dalawa. Oh, wala. Okay, go,
Swerte
sis.
yan lang din yan.